Good morning students, my name is Shashank Pararma and today I am going to discuss doing our number chapter 1 and that is part 3. So student, in previous video we discussed some questions and today in this video we also discuss some question of APC publication. After this we will discuss the question of NCERT. The questions are same, all questions are same, only digits are changed, and once you know the concept you are able to solve all the question. It does not matter कि मतलब which book you are solving, ठीक है ना. Once you know the concept you will solve the all question based on this. Clear student? So now that day we discuss a question in which it was given कि how many, जैसे how many 3 digits, how many 3 digits number are there in all. Clear student? This type of question we are discussing. So in this question I explain you the method कि how to solve. ठीक है ना? How to solve. First you will find out what? First you will find out greatest of 3 digit, फिर minus smallest of 3 digit, फिर plus 1. By this formula, by using this formula, you can solve any question based on this. How many 5 digit number are there in all? How many 6 digit number are there in all? ठीक है ना? तो चलिए now, so that was the example of now. The question is that it is given in your book, question number 12, exercise 1.2 of APC publication. 1.2 APC. ठीक है ना? चलिए, it is given कि how many 6 digit number are there in all. ठीक है ना? Question is given how many 6 digit number are there in all. Clear everyone? अब now how you will solve this question student? I explain कि first what you have to do, you have to find out greatest single number. First you have to find out what? Greatest single number. You know that the greatest single number is what? 9. 6 times 9. You know now how to write down the greatest number? ठीक है ना? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Clear student? Up next thing is that you have to write down the smallest single number. The smallest single digit are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. देखो this is done. What is the formula student? Student formula was greatest. What is given? 6 digit number minus smallest 6 digit number plus 1. Clear? अब now come to the question. Greatest is what? 6 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9. Smallest, we have to find out the smallest is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you will subtract. First you will subtract. Clear student? So this will become what? 9, 9, 8. It means 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. It means 89,000, 8,99,999. Clear student? It will come. Next is given what? Next you have to add 1. In this you have to add 1. Now add 1, it will come 9 plus 1 10, carry 1, फिर 10. देखिए 9 plus 1 10, फिर 9 plus 1 10, फिर 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10. यानी how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. यानी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 0. And this is 8 plus 1 student 9. Clear? So this is our appropriate answer. So what is the answer? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. यानी 9 lakh number are present 6 digit. यानी it is given how many 6 digit number are there in all. यानी total 9 lakh 6 digit number are there in all. Clear student? So by the using of this formula you can solve the question based on this. It doesn't matter it is given 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit. Only you have to know the concept. What? First you will find out the greatest. फिर you have to find out the smallest. Then you will find out what? Difference of both greatest and smallest. If 4 digit is given, so you will find out 4 digit. If 5 digit given, you will find out 5 digit. Then you will add 1. Clear student? So this is the simplest formula. On the basis of this, you can solve any question based on it. Clear student? Now come to the next question. Our next question is given what? देखिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन write down the greatest number and smallest number of 4 digit that can be formed using digit 7504 using 88 only one. Very easy question you can solve. चलिए अब देखिए नाउ कम ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. देखो 16 is given. Form the smallest and greatest digit number by using only one digit twice from the digit. अब देखिए जैसे क्वेश्चन is given, you have to find out greatest and smallest. 5, 2, 3, 9. Clear student? अब you have to find out what? You have to find out greatest and smallest digit. Using 5, 2, 3, 9 and one condition is given, you can repeat one digit 2 times. You can repeat once any one digit in this one 2 times. ठीक है ना? अब स्टूडेंट टेल मी इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ग्रेटेस्ट. ठीक है ना? तो यू विल सेलेक्ट द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर. व्हिच वन इज ग्रेटेस्ट स्टूडेंट? 9 is greatest. If it is not mentioned कि you can use number twice, then after 9 you have to write down 5. But it is given in the question कि you can repeat a number, you can repeat a digit. So which digit you will repeat? Because you have to find out largest. Again student you will repeat 9. Clear student? अच्छा it is given smallest. अच्छा greatest 4 digit you have to make. अब देखो 2 digit तो done. अब next what you will write down student? You will write down 5. ठीक है ना? Because after 9 5 is greater. फिर after 5 what is greater student? 3. Clear? So this is greatest 4 digit number. And here you are repeating 9 2 times. Clear? This will become 9953. Is that clear everyone? Now come to the smallest number. Now smallest will start from smallest. तो smallest देखिए it will start from 2. ठीक है ना? अब the condition is that if it is not given you can repeat the digits. So you after 2 you will write down 3. ठीक है ना? After 2 you will write down 3. But here it is given what? You can repeat the numbers digits only one digit. So you will write down what? Again you will write down 2. ठीक है ना student? After 2 what you will write down? 3. फिर 5. ठीक है ना? तो देखिए दिस इज व्हाट? दिस इज द स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर 2235. तो 2 more question is given student. ठीक है ना? तो आई थिंक नाउ यू आर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. ठीक है? तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन यू विल डू योरसेल्फ. ओनली वन डिजिट यू कैन रिपीट, तो यू विल रिपीट. चलिए नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अब देखिए राइट द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 6 digit, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 7 digit. आल्सो फाइंड देयर डिफरेंस. बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन. You know that how to write down the greatest 6 digit number and greatest 7 digit number. Then you have to find out difference. You will do. अब now come on question number 18. अब देखिए question number 18. देखिए it is given write the greatest 4 digit number having distinct digit. अब what is the meaning of distinct digit? Distinct digit. देखो what is the meaning of distinct digit? Distinct मतलब all digits should be different. All digits should be different. And there is no repetition. ठीक है ना? It means if you are writing 9 तो 9 once time. If you are writing 8 तो 8 once time. ठीक है ना? All digits will not be repeated. The first important thing is this. तो distinct मतलब student what? Distinct मतलब different. ठीक है ना? I think now you understand different. अब देखिए it is given write the greatest 4 digit number having distinct digit. If you have to write down greatest 4 digit number student, let us assume if you have to write down greatest 4 digit number, to what you will write down? You will write down 9999. You will write down this one, but you have to write down the greatest 4 digit number having distinct digit. Distinct digit मतलब 9. देखो here 9 तो repeated ना, 9 repeated how many times? 4 times. ठीक है? You have to write down distinct digit मतलब all digits should be different. So what you will write down student? First you will write down 9. After what you will write down 8. ठीक है ना? फिर what you can write down 7. फिर what you can write down student 6. तो देखिए all are distinct digits. All are distinct मतलब all are different ना? 9 is different, 8 is different, 7 is different, 6 is different. ठीक है ना? Clear? And you have to find out greatest ना? Greatest. So after 9 what is left? After 9 what we can write down? We can write down only 8. After 8 what you can write down? 7. After 7 what we can write down? 6. ठीक है ना? तो by this way you can form the greatest 4 digit number with the use of distinct digit. ठीक है? Distinct मतलब all digits are different. देखो all are different. 9 once time, 8 once time, 7 once time, 6 once time. ठीक है ना, there is no any repetition. Clear everyone? So by this you can solve the question. Same question is given, write the smallest 4 digit number having distinct digit. अब बताइए, if you have to write down the smallest, जैसे question number 19 is given, you have to find out the smallest. So how you will write down, student? Smallest you have to write down smallest. Question number 19, smallest. You have to write down smallest number using distinct digit. ठीक है ना? अब देखिए, अब you have to write down if smallest 4 digit number, तो simply you will write down. You can write down 1000. Simply you can write down na, because this is the smallest 4 digit number, but you have to use the different digits. ठीक है ना? Because here repetition is there. देखो 30 you are repeating. तो what you can do, student? Again you have to use your common sense. कैसे देखिए? Like previous question, the smallest number you can take first 1. ठीक है ना? 1 you can take, after 1 what you will take? 2. Because repetition is not allowed. फिर you can write down 3. Again what you can write down, student? You can write down 4. तो देखिए by this process you can find out the smallest 4 digit number having distinct digit. Distinct मतलब all digits are different. ठीक है ना? तो देखिए it is given, you can find out. अच्छा, this is 1 2 3 4. ठीक है ना? Can you tell me कि मतलब you can form any other number? देखो one mistake in this question, student. One mistake in this question what? देखिए 1 तो I taken, ठीक है ना? लेकिन after 1 important thing here, this is missing. Can anyone tell me what important thing is missing? बताइए. देखिए after 10 I took 2, ठीक है ना? But you know that 0 भी तो 0 is also a whole number. Yes, so you can also take 0. ठीक. फिर after 0 you can take 2. फिर you can take 3. तो अब tell me one important thing. Due to this I written first this one. ठीक है ना? By checking your common sense. अब देखिए this is 1 2 3 4 यानी 1234 और this is given 1023. अब tell me student one thing, which one is smallest? So you will say that this one is smallest because this is 1023 और this is 1234. तो in examination देखो this mistake can arise. This mistake will do many of students. क्या करेंगे? They will write down first one, फिर 2, फिर 3, फिर 4 continuously. But they forget to write down 0 because 0 is play very important role ना. Because after 1 you can write down 0. अच्छा, some student can say कि sir we can write down 0 first. ठीक है? If you write down 0 first, तो 0 1 2 3. अब tell me left hand side is 0. Is there any means of 0? नहीं. If 0 is right hand side then it means. ठीक है ना? तो if you write down this one, तो this is only 3 digit number. But you have to form what? 4 digit numbers. तो which one is correct? This one. यानी देखिए if you have to write down the smallest 4 digit number having distinct digit, so what you will use, student? First you will write down 1, फिर 0, फिर 2, फिर 3. So this is the smallest 4 digit number having distinct digit. Is that clear, everyone? Be focused. After 1 you will write down 0, not 2, because 0 is also a whole number. So you will use, because you have to write down what? Smallest. ठीक है ना? चलिए. तो always be careful when you will attempt your paper. ठीक है ना? चलिए. Now come next question. अब देखो all question based on same thing. 20 till 21. अब देखिए 22. Write the greatest and smallest 4 digit number using 4 different digit with conditions given. Digit 7 is also always at unit place. अब देखिए question number 22 देखिए. This is little bit different type of question. Question number 22. It is given कि write the greatest and the smallest 4 digit number. Greatest and smallest 4 digit number using 4 digits with the condition as given. ठीक है ना? अब देखिए कंडीशन इज गिवन व्हाट स्टूडेंट? डिजिट 7 इज ऑलवेज एट यूनिट प्लेस. ठीक है ना? चलो नाउ कम टू दिस वन. राइट द ग्रेटेस्ट एंड स्मॉलेस्ट 4 digit number. You have to write down greatest and smallest 4 digit number. First thing, अच्छा कंडीशन इज गिवन digit 7 is always at unit place. यानी 7 is always at unit place. This is condition. ठीक है ना? Means you have to find out greatest and smallest 4 digit number. ठीक है ना? And 7 is always at unit place. It means 7 is always on ones place. ठीक है ना? 7 is always on ones place. अब what you have to do? देखो, first you have to write down greatest. First you have to write down greatest. ठीक है ना स्टूडेंट? तो in greatest, if you have to write down randomly greatest 4-digit number, then you know that 9999 is the greatest 4-digit number. But this is not our correct answer. What is given in the question? You have to form out the greatest 4-digit number, and 7 is always unit digit. ठीक है ना? अच्छा, it is also given using 4 different digit, यानी distinct digit. यानी you have to make the number having 4 different digit. यानी the कोई previous question we discussed the distinct digit, same question it is given. ठीक है ना? Only language is changed little bit. तो first you will write down what? You will write down 9. First you will write down 9. Again you will write down what? 8. 8 you will write down. अच्छा, after 8 it will come what? 7. Because after 8 7 is greater. But remember students, 7 is to always lie in the unit place. First thing. Second thing it is given कि digit will not be repeated. ठीक है ना? It is prohibited. It means you will not repeat the digit again because it is given the question. After 8 what remains? 7. But 7 is unit place. Again you will not write down because you have no right to repetition. So you will write down what? You will write down 6. Is that clear everyone? ठीक है ना? Why we are writing 6? Because we don't have right to write down 7 again. Clear everyone? Because 7 is always given in unit place. Is that clear? Sure. So this is about greatest number. If you have to find out the smallest number, student, smallest number मतलब again 7 is on unit place. Again 7 is on unit place. So we will not change anything on unit place. फिर we will start from 1, फिर 0, 1 के बाद 0, फिर 2. देखो very easy. 1 फिर 0 फिर 2. अब after 2 we have to write down 3 according to the general rule. But it is given in the condition in your question कि unit place should always remain 7. You cannot change unit place and you cannot repeat unit place. ठीक है ना? तो we don't have any other step. मतलब we cannot take any other step. ठीक है ना? Because unit place is fixed. We cannot change the unit place. तो 7 will also be fixed, always fixed. Now this is the smallest number. First we will start from 1, फिर 0, फिर 2. We can write down 3, but no. According to the question, the unit place will be 7. Clear student? So this is about question number 22. अब now the next question based on same you will solve yourself. ठीक है ना? One I explain. चलिए. Now come to the exercise 1.3. Come to the exercise 1.3. देखिए student, the question based on this you will solve yourself. ठीक है ना? More practice is required. चलिए now come on exercise 1.3. चलिए again in this I will explain some question. देखिए अब first thing is जैसे जिस मान लीजिए 1 किलोग्राम equal to what? 1000 ग्राम. You know that. ठीक है ना? ठीक है ना? 1 मीटर equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर. So this is I think this is the general thing you know. ठीक है ना? 1 millimeter 1 ml equal to 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So this is the general things I know. I think you know. ठीक है ना? 1 kilogram equal to 1000, फिर 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. अब what is the use of this? जैसे it is given मान लीजिए 2 kilogram. If it is given, we will use in question. ठीक है ना? How we will use in question? I will explain. देखो ध्यान से. जैसे देखो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन अ पार्टिकुलर ईयर अ कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड बाइसिकल एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर. देखो इट इज गिवन कि हाउ मेनी बाइसिकल कंपनी मैन्युफैक्चर्ड. अब इन विच ईयर मोर बाइसिकल वर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड एंड बाय हाउ मच. लेट अस अज्यूम फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मान लीजिए इट इज गिवन जैसे मान लीजिए अ कंपनी ए मैन्युफैक्चर्ड 500 cycle in a month. This is example student. ठीक है ना? Question you will solve according to yourself. अब देखिए company B manufactured 700 bicycle in a month. If I want to know कि which company manufactured motorcycle, if I want to know which company manufactured motorcycle, you can say sir company B manufactured motorcycle because company A manufactured 500 bicycle and company B manufacturing 700. By how much if I want to know, so you can say this is 700 minus 500, it means 200. यानी company B manufacturing 200 more cycle as compared to company A. So this is the simple question, ठीक है ना? Only 3 digit number are given in your book. It is given. देखिए 1 10 100 1000 10,000 lakh 10 lakh यानी 85 lakh 70,435 और 87 lakh 56,430. तो large digits are given but process are same. So what you will do? First you will write down company A manufacturing, company B manufacturing. Now you will see yourself which company manufacturing more and by how much, then you will subtract. This I give an example question, you will solve yourself. ठीक है ना? चलिए. Now come to the next question student. What is given? देखो. What number must be subtracted from? देखो. Very easy question. I think you are able to solve. Only you have to subtract. चलिए. Now come to the next question. देखिए कम ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is given स्टूडेंट. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is given. अमिताभ is 1 meter 82 centimeter tall. देखो 1 meter 82 centimeter tall. ठीक है ना? This is what? This is अमिताभ. ठीक है. Now next is given. And his wife is 35 centimeters shorter than him. Wife 35 centimeter shorter. देखो अब now we will use. अब previous I explained ना 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Now we will use here. Next is given कि what is the wife height? Height of wife. Height. You have to find out height of wife. You have to find out height of wife. So now student, first what we have to do? First we have to convert it same unit. What is the meaning of this? देखो, this is given 1 meter ना? 1 meter. You will write down 1 multiplied by 100 centimeter. This will become centimeter plus 82 centimeter. This will become your question very easy. So this will become what? 100 centimeter. Plus 82 centimeter. अब देखो, here only I am giving explanation. In examination, you don't have to do lots of things. You have to do the calculation in your mind, otherwise in your rough copy. ठीक है ना? Practice बेटा. When you will do practice ना, you are able to solve. So this will become what? 182 centimeter. ठीक है? This is given what? 35 centimeter. यानी 35 centimeter is given. ठीक है ना? Given ना? 35 centimeter. अब you have to find out the height of wife. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? You know that 182 centimeter is the height of अमिताभ और 35 centimeter is the height of, मतलब her wife is 35 meter shorter. Now we have to find out height. So what we will do? We will subtract. 12 minus 5 7. 7 minus 3 4. और this is 1. यानी the height of wife is what? 147 centimeter. अब now you have to convert in this from meter and centimeter. तो very easy. 147 centimeter. It means 1 meter 47 centimeter. Now this is your correct answer. ठीक है ना? अब one important thing student, if in examination you will write on 147, it is also correct. ठीक है ना? No one can cut your answer. But if you have to convert, so this is the appropriate manner. Because the question is given in this form na, to always try to give your answer according to the question. Is that clear? So height is 1 meter 47 centimeter. I think now you are able to solve the question and you are able to understand how to solve. First you have to convert in single quantity. Clear student? Chalo. This is our question number 6. Now move to the question, next question. चलिए स्टूडेंट, now next question is given. देखो, now next question is, now I am going to do question number 9. देखो, question number 9 is given. The total mass of 12 packet of sweet is, each size 15 kilogram 600 gram. देखो, 12 packets. It is given 12 packets. ठीक है ना? 12 packets total mass equal to what? What it is given? 15 kilogram 600 ग्राम। देखिए ध्यान से, लिसन एवरीवन, 12 packets total mass equal to 15 kilogram 600 gram. What I explained student, first you have to convert in single unit. So you have to convert this one is what in single unit. So you know that 15 multiplied by 1000 plus 600. अब this is in also in gram, this is also in gram, because I explained that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So this will become what, 15,000 gram plus 600 gram. Okay, now add up, it will come what, 21,000. So this is total weight, this is total weight in gram. अब देखो this will become very easy. अब now you have to find out 12 packets total mass is इतना, you have to find out mass of one packet, mass of one packet, mass of one packet you have to find out my student. अब what you have to do, simply you have to divide it, यानी 12 and this is 21,000. Okay, now divide it, 12 1 12, 11 plus minus 2 9, फिर 12 7 84, 84, 10 minus 4 6, 12 5 60. Now 1 0 again and 1 0 1 0. यानी this is 1750. अब this is what? This is 1750 gram. Yes student, अब देखो it is given in the question number 9, it is given कि 15,000, एक मिनट स्टूडेंट, मास ऑफ ईच पैकेट देखिए, देखिए स्टूडेंट, देयर इज अ मिस्टेक इन दिस क्वेश्चन, देयर इज अ मिस्टेक इन एडिशन. देखो देयर इज अ मिस्टेक इन एडिशन, सॉरी फॉर दिस. देखिए देयर इज अ मिस्टेक इन एडिशन. देखो दिस विल बिकम व्हाट, 15,000 ग्राम प्लस 600. देखो 15,000 ग्राम प्लस 600. तो व्हाट I did in this question, this will become 21,000 ना, this is absolutely wrong. This will become 15,600 gram ना. Then you will add 15,600. So this will become 15,600 grams. ठीक है ना? There is a mistake in addition. अब देखो. Now you have to find out mass of one packet. Mass of one packet. So what it will divide? And 12 divided by, मतलब 15,600 divided by 12. 12 1 12, 5 minus 2 3, 12 3 36. ठीक है, और 2 0 remains, यानी 2 0 you will write. ठीक है ना. तो टोटल इज 1300 ग्राम. देखो टोटल इज 1300 ग्राम. इज दैट क्लियर एवरीवन? यानी यू कैन राइट डाउन 1 किलोग्राम 300 ग्राम. ठीक है ना, 1 किलोग्राम 300 ग्राम. देखो योर आंसर इज हियर आल्सो, इट इज करेक्ट, but you have to correct in proper manner because this is given in kilogram and gram. So how you will convert it student? You will convert it like 1 kilogram 300 gram. It is clear everyone? ठीक है ना. अब how you will convert? देखो this is 1300. ठीक है ना. तो यानी 1000 यानी 1 किलोग्राम और फिर 300 ग्राम सेपरेटली will write down. ठीक है ना. और there is a mistake in the calculator. देखो 15 to multiply 1000, this will come 15,000 and 600 plus, तो 15,600. अब this is the total mass of the 12 packets. You have to find out the mass of one packet student. So you will simply divide. It will come 1,300 what gram. अब you have to convert in kilogram. It will become 1 kilogram 300 gram. Because 1 kilogram equal to 1,000. 1,000 plus 300, 1,300 gram. This is also correct, but you have to write down in appropriate form because this is given in this manner. So you have to write down according to this. ठीक है ना. So now student, now I think you are able to understand the question till 1.3, and next video we will discuss the some other question of NCERT and this book. Clear student? Thank you.